Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your Thursday so far. Thank you so much for joining me for another Glam room tour video. Our house tour is going to be on Sunday. Don't forget to join us then. And a few weeks ago I did a makeover in my living room, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I tweak with what I have for fresher look. If you watched that video, you probably remember that I made 3 artworks for this makeover, and I am now going to show you how I tweak my design, my decor for fresh look on a weekly basis. This video is part of a close collab that I do with my friends over at the Glam Squad. And they are Alan from Glamour Alan, Anne from Luxury Living with Anne, and of course Tammy from Glam Queen of Decor. After watching my video, please go to my description box, click on the playlist so you can watch all the other members of the Glam Squad, except Tammy. Again, she won't be able to join us unfortunately, as she's still having some problems with her health. I'm wishing Tammy a speedy recovery. Okay, so this Crescenda decor you already seen, and now I'm going to show you a tweaked version for a fresher look. And here is the tweaked version. Fresh flowers on the table when you saw it, and now this is the tweaked version. I'm using 4 flowers instead. Next to the TV, this is what you've seen, and then I change it to give it a fresher, more beautiful look. I love this one better than the other one. What do you think?
The same roads every day. We both get there.
Here is the tweaked version of my cozy corner and next to my TV.
How different two souls can be, but we both grow from the same sorrow if we both know.
Coffee table that you've seen before.
I can be like a tree in the wind, same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together.
And tweaked version that you haven't seen, and I used what I had, nothing new on this one.
Now it's almost like a dance, rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good. crazy, babe.